Hello guys, today we're going to fix an old Xiaomi version which we all know as Mi 3S touchpad that's not working. First of all, we start by removing the SIM card tray. There's a special tool for opening, but I have a very strong fingernail, so I enjoy using them. Then we remove or we unscrew the PCB plate. So small plate holding the PCB in place. Battery clip, and the battery itself, then the touchpad clip, then the power button clip for easy access. Take off the PCB easily. As you can see here, I've cut it off from the touchpad. That's why you only have a little remnant of the tracker. Has a lot of gum debris, so I have to take out the LCD for proper scrubbing of the P7000 gum that has built up on the front tracker. Then we apply the P7000 gum. Phone repairs is it's a kind of work that needs to be done with extra carefulness. Any slight mistake can cause a lot of damage or And we fix the touchpad as a new touchpad. LCD clip and the power flex button. Voila, we're done. Fix back the PCB plate. It's putting scrub out the extra gum debris where they said you can feel it, so when you scrub it like that it will be smooth. Battery was about to die, so I had to fix it to charge. because when you fix it when it's on, it won't respond, so you have to reboot the phone. So I have to turn it off. This is fingerprint hardware connector. Voila, our phone is good. Touch responding, very nice. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like.